Guys, Forex guy GH here, forever in profits. I hope everybody is fine wherever you're watching from. Okay, so let's do a quick breakdown of our weekly market breakdown analysis. Okay, so as you can see, right now I'll be talking about BTC, then to gold, and then to Nasdaq. Okay, so you need to stick around to find out our outlook for the week. Okay, so on the monthly chart, BTC went for buy side liquidity, as you can see from here. Took out the liquidity from this high 124k 700, right? So we run that buy side liquidity, then it came down to sweep sell side liquidity with that sharp run to the downside as well. So we've taken this high, right, on the monthly chart, and we've also swept this lows here. So this low has been swept. That was the um September low. August low has been swept. July low has been swept as well. So we have a pool of liquidity. And liquidity is where people place their orders, whether stop loss, buy orders, whatever. The market good for all those stuff, then run with it. Okay. So you can see clearly the buy side has been swept and then sell side has been swept. And now we have like a retracement back into the zone. Okay. So let's shift to the weekly charts to see what is happening on the weekly chart as well. All right. So this is our weekly charts. We have a fresh week with a candle going up to that with bulls being in what control of the market at the moment. Okay, after the sell side liquidity here has been swept. So right, what the market does is it takes liquidity, then runs for the next point of liquidity. Okay, so there is a likelihood of markets coming back all the way to all-time high, as this is the last week of the last trading week of September, right? So let's see how this week plays. What I would like to see is I would like to see some rejections. Then I would like to short this for a one, another sweep of this low. All right. So there's a high likelihood of market retracing to the downside. So let's see. Taking from previous week, marking from the high to the low, we are currently above equilibrium level and we are running in premium, which are ideal places to be selling to the downside actually, right? Because we have a couple of runs and what we can anticipate is to short from these levels, right? So today is just Monday. Let's see how the market plays. Then all we have to do is wait for it to come to our objective level. So 0.61779 are places that I'll be interested in looking for opportunity to short to the downside, right? So let's check what is happening on the daily chart. So on the daily, we have some strong bull run to the upside. Once again, I would like to see some rejections, 7 us to sell to the downside. Okay, so I'll be marked. We had a run over the weekend, so Sunday had this nice sharp move to the upside. Monday we have bulls already rallying price to the upside as well. We are running around 11294 level. Okay, so we might see further push to the upside, then some rejections, then we short it to the downside. All right, or any opportunity that will help us to join trade to the upside as well, we'll capitalize on it. Let's see on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour candle, let me hide this. So this is a 4 hour chart for you, right? Like we have a breakout of the trend on the 4 hour, right? As you can see clearly, we have a breakout of this trend on the 4 hour. So we are likely to see some form of retracement, then a bounce back to the high here on the 4 hour time frame. So take note of this. So this is our outlook on BTC USD market breakdown for the week. Okay, let's move quickly to gold. Gold has been doing crazy moves lately, and that has been awesome. So gold on the monthly chart, we have some pretty good runners to the upside. Market has been very bullish, and which is good, right? We've we've crossed the 4,000. We are now running around we go close to 4,400 um level, which is here, right? And then we are currently running around 4,550 round figure. Okay, so we are still very strong in a very strong bullish market on a monthly, on a weekly as well. So we have our new weekly candle popped up, and gold week on week has been very bullish. So since August, we just have this every week has just been that bullish to the upside, right? So I think there's time coming where it will have to rest, or like we'll have to see some, because it wouldn't go up forever, as you know. It wouldn't have to go up forever. It will have to correct itself in price to a certain level and probably continue to the upside. So gold is currently stalling. So let's see what happens. So last week Friday, we had this buy side liquidity being swept, and we had a strong bearish candle to the downside. So we are likely to have a sweep above it again. When it happens, I'll look for short positions. But when we sweep below the daily, last week Friday daily low, what I'll do as well is to look for buying opportunities from there, because it will come for sell side liquidity, then attempt to come for buy side liquidity as well, right? So I'm marking this low and then this high here. Sorry. All right. So take note of this low and high. So if price should come sweep this low, right, and come back into our region, we'll look towards a retest and then a continuation to the upside. This one scenario that we can look at. Let me go to the 4 hours so that it becomes clearer. Let me remove this. Sorry. Let me remove this. Then what we can also see is continuation to the upside, takes out sells buy side liquidity, comes in, break structure, then they move back down. Right. So these are our approach to the market. Okay. So this is what we are looking out for on that is the last week of September, trading week of September. Okay, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for sticking around. Forever in Profit Forex Guy GH. So if you want to trade with us, we'll leave a link in the description. You can join our Telegram community where we share analysis and signals every day for you to trade with us and be consistently profitable. All right, make sure you work this video thoroughly. Mark out on your chat what you've learned, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment sections. Forever in Profit Forex Guy GH, I'm out. Thank you so much.